Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull in Australia, a popular online trading platform that offers a range of financial products and services. To get started, first ensure you have a compatible device and a stable internet connection. Begin by downloading the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play, or access the platform through the Webull website. Once installed, click on the Sign Up button and provide the required personal and financial information to create an account. You will need to verify your identity and address as part of the sign-up process. After your account is created and verified, you can log in and explore the platform. The Webull dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and market news. You can customize the dashboard to suit your needs and preferences. To start trading, you need to fund your account. Webull offers several funding options, including bank transfer and online payment methods. Ensure you understand the fees associated with each funding option and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once your account is funded, you can start trading. Webull offers a range of financial products, including stocks, options, and exchange-traded funds. Use the search function to find the product you want to trade, and then click on the Buy or Sell button to execute the trade. Webull also offers a range of trading tools and features, including technical indicators, charts, and market news. Use these tools to analyze the market and make informed trading decisions. It is essential to develop a trading strategy and set clear goals before you start trading. As a beginner, it is crucial to start with a demo account to practice trading and get familiar with the platform. Webull offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. In addition to trading, Webull also offers a range of educational resources, including tutorials, webinars, and market analysis. Take advantage of these resources to improve your trading skills and stay up to date with market trends. Finally, ensure you understand the risks associated with trading and invest responsibly. Webull is a self-directed trading platform, and you are responsible for your investment decisions. Always prioritize risk management and diversify your portfolio to minimize losses. By following these steps and using the features and tools offered by Webull, you can start trading in Australia and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay informed, disciplined, and patient, and you will be well on your way to successful trading.